Good morning, guys. I'm really glad to see you, and I'm really yeah, I'm outlook for today, May 18, 2026, and concerning the asset that I trade, USD and gold. So we have that filtered right here to show all news, and there are no impact news today. As a matter of fact, there's only one impact news today, this week, regarding euro and the dollar. GDFOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday by 7 p.m. GMT plus one. So we have just no impact news and almost I believe there's no holiday as well. So there's no holiday, no impact news, just uh medium and low impact news. But there are no medium impact news for today, except this G7 meeting, which is regarded to as a low impact news. So moving to the chart very quickly, um, you see that the euro is fully priced for the month as usual month. Weekly candle, we had a very bearish close last week. And today, we traded the low of that candle and we're having some reaction or a hold. So there has been a hold around the prior week's low, so it's the prior day low. And right now we are trading slightly off. We flip the daily candle bullish. And the idea for trade, although this one seems to be a bit gone right now, is I wanted to, as again as can do, if we held the previous week's and previous day's low, is also where viewer is at. I would have like wanted to long, but right now we tested that even before the pre-session, which is the time I called the 1 hour before the session. And right now, the last rejection we had, this may actually give us an opportunity. The rejection we had came from the second band uh, of view up to the top, the higher upper band, second upper band of the standard deviation from view up. This is where we formed the swing high uh, just recently. So maybe if we do have a rejection somewhere around there during the first hour and we have signs of bearishness, that is, if we have something like this, this is the pattern. We have rejection here, we have consolidation, and then we have a breakout during New York Open. Perhaps that would be a good trade targeting the previous week's and previous day's low, and also targeting the second, the lower band of the view up to the current day's low. That would be the trade idea, as this market is very bearish at the moment. But today's Monday, market may just consolidate mostly during London, and New York will give the better trades. So a short for gold if the uh second band, the upper band of the viewer does hold. That is the idea this morning, and this be on lookout for the previous day and previous day. It also coincides to where the viewer is right here for to move stops to break even at least, so that we don't have a reversal and then things happen. So for gold, monthly candle bearish reach the previous month's low. Weekly candle close very bearish. We didn't have that engulfing candle I talked about. The prior week, the week before, we had a bullish engulfing candle. Last week we had a very bearish candle that I thought would engulf. We didn't. And this week we traded the low of the previous week. And daily we did have some sort of support at the prior week's low, and this is the reaction we got. And this is one thing about this one. We had a reaction from previous days low, which was previous week low, and we have it really go back upward. And for now, we have another rejection around the 1 hour will show us that we have the rejection around this upper band of the blue up here. But that is not really the case when I drop to the 5 to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that the rejection has actually been coming from around the value area high for the day currently forming. And this is one thing that I've been looking into. And right now seem to be having support around around VWAP, which also coincides with the day open. And this would mean that we may be in the long term bullish, but one of the places you have to look out for is this 47, 45, 48 region. And that brings us to a place that is very close to price. And in all sincerity, I this will give me a risk reward that is very low. And trading this would it's not like me. It's not like me at all. So what I'll do is that I'll perhaps wait for a consolidation during 7 o'clock candle and then a claim above VPOP or anything like that during the session open, during the session open. And volatility should at least take us above this a little bit. So a long on gold, if the day open and the viewer does hold, would make sense to me. But if we do fail below, I'll go below the day open and viewer. I'll look for a retest to trade to the previous week and previous day slow, and then the second deviation from viewer, then the current day slow. But that is not likely to happen during London. I'm aware of that, but I'll be on the lookout for that. And I had two more strategies to my playbook, which is the Mary version. I haven't been trading Mary version for a while now, but I see that in a very volatile market where we have price deviating very quickly away from me, a quick scalp back to me would make sense. And also the breakout strategy, because last week we did have some serious leg down. And because I wasn't trading the breakout, I haven't practiced that in a while. I missed a lot of trades. So I've added that as well to my strategy. So we'll see what happens. And this a very good for as well. And the hourly on gold, which is signifying bearishness. But all the same, the trade idea remains the same. A long if we do hold previous the day open and we have a short we go below and retest. If we go below and not retest, what if we go below and retest will be the best case scenario for trade this morning. So that is it guys for this morning. Good luck and good trades. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.